Hey everyone, it's Andy here from Mr. Yoo-Hoo, and today we're visiting a product that was already one of the best value hearing aids on the market. And now it's back, better than ever. I'm talking about the upgraded ELEHEAR Beyond hearing aids, as you can see just here. Now guys, if you caught my original review last year, you know I was seriously impressed by the AI enhanced sound, sleep behind the ear fit, and how they pack so much technology into a $399 hearing aid. Well, ELEHEAR has listened to our feedback, made a number of firmware and hardware upgrades, and added a brand new color that looks incredibly premium. So in this video, we're going to unbox the latest version, show off the app, show off the upgrades, test in real world situations, and compare what they've actually improved since the original version. You'll also find out how these ELEHEAR Beyond hearing aids changed my day. And make sure you stick around, because we're also exploring some game-changing features like AI noise cancellation, tinnitus masking, Bluetooth music streaming, and even real-time language translation. Guys, it's amazing. So if you're considering a hearing aid that does more than just amplify sound, this is going to be worth watching. And guys, if you're new here, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tech reviews. And guess what? We're actually giving away one of these to our audience. Now, we gave away one previously. David Grant, Australia, won it. He won a brand new pair of ELEHEAR Beyond hearing aids. Guys, you can win a pair of these upgraded ones. So check links below. Multiple entries. The more times you enter, the more chances you to win. And it's our way of saying thanks to you for being involved. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification button to get updated for more reviews. And you can also purchase using the link below. Now let's get into it. First, let's talk about what's changed. Well, the biggest visual upgrade is a stunning new champagne color. It's subtle, modern, and adds an elegant touch to the already discreet RIC style design. You now have the choice between champagne or silver. So it's nice to see ELEHEAR thinking about style alongside function. Now under the hood, there have been some major firmware updates that improve both usability and performance. One of the noticeable things is Bluetooth connection reliability. Previously, some users reported occasional dropouts when switching between devices. But in our testing with the new version, the connection has been rock solid, even when jumping between music playback and calls. They've also minimized the noise reduction algorithm to reduce distortion during speech, which was already good, but now feels more natural and precise. It's especially noticeable in noisy environments or when having conversations outdoors. And if you use the always on hearing assistance mode, there's been a key fix that stops audio glitches after phone calls. That's a small but very practical upgrade that makes daily use absolutely smoother. Now the ELEHEAR app has also received a significant facelift. You can now fine-tune your hearing aid with greater accuracy thanks to more advanced sliders, real-time hearing environment detection, and the ability to create and save up to 8 personalized listening profiles. Whether you're watching TV at a cafe or on a phone call, you can now switch modes instantly and adjust clarity or noise filtering on the fly. And as you can see, guys, I've got them on here, just here. You can see there they fit into my ears perfectly. Very easy to wear. And I can hear the external noise very clearly at the moment as well. The amplification in this is absolutely amazing. And there they are there. So let's go through the hearing aids now in more detail and discuss more about the key features that make these hearing aids absolutely stand out. So opening up the box, the first thing I noticed was the beautiful new champagne finish. It adds a real premium touch compared to the silver version I previously tested. Inside, you get the ELEHEAR Beyond hearing aids, the compact charging case, a full set of ear domes for different ear shapes, a USB-C charging cable, and of course, all the accessories you'd expect from a high-end product. But what really stands out is how clean and organized everything is. You can tell the product has been carefully designed from the ground up, with your user experience in mind. And remember, guys, you can also purchase the ELEHEAR air dryers separately, as you can see just here. A great little device that helps keep your hearing aids in top condition by drying them out and getting the moisture out overnight. We'll be reviewing that in a separate video, but I've also included here, guys, so you can check it out, and also the link if you wish to purchase them as well. So that's great, isn't it? Now let's talk about comfort, because honestly, it surprised me again. These hearing aids are so light. They fit securely and barely noticeable once they're on. As you can see, I've got them on my ears just here. Now the RIC design means they sit discreetly behind your ears with a slim wire connecting to the receiver in your ear canal. Because you get a full range of tips in the box, I was able to find the perfect fit straight away. Whether I was walking, working, or filming, Guys, they stayed perfectly in place without any irritation. Plus, they turn on automatically. So the moment you remove them from a charging case, no fiddling with buttons or remembering sequences. Just pop them in and go. This simplicity really shows how far the OTC hearing aids have come. And as you can see, there's a hearing aid up there close. As you can see, you've got the different functions on there, volume up, volume down. The microphones at the back there, they really do fit. Now, one thing I love is the AI enhanced sound clarity. It's powered by ELEHEAR's Cochlear Plus technology, which uses deep neural networks to learn how you hear and adapt it over time. Every time you wear them, the sound feels more natural, clearer, and tailored to your environment. Okay guys, now I'm just gonna go and set the hearing aids up and actually test them for you, show you some of the functions using the app. As you can see, you've got the app just here. Now you've got to take out the hearing aids to get them started with the app. So there they are just there. So let's start by putting them into our ears. Now to start with, they go in opposite. So that one goes over there and this one goes in just like this. See how easy they are to put in? There we are. You see how you can't see them at all? They fit so well. I can already hear the outside noise amplified around me too, which is great. So I'm gonna put this to the side for now. And now we've got the hearing app just here. Now, to start with, you can see you've got the different hearing aid functions. So you've got on, off, and auto as well. So basically, auto is if you want to use the hearing aids, for example, for music, stops the hearing aids, puts the music on, and then switches the music off when you change them. So it's a great little function to use. You can put the volume up and down. Wow, that's a lot louder when I'm using them. To start with, let's see kind of how the hearing aids work. So as I'm clicking here, I can hear more closely over here because it's compensating for the sound. And over here, I can hear it more strongly here as well. So the hearing aids are very good to pick up the environmental sound that you need to hear to be able to hear them. Now you can see you've got the volume there, volume both, so I can do volume both at the same time. So auto enhance. So this essentially enhances the speech when you're talking, so which is a very handy thing to use. I actually tested these having a conversation and it really did improve the sound. Go back to tuning. So this is where you can actually tune the voice and actually tune it depending on the sound you want to hear. And here is also phone and media phone call boost. So you can actually boost your Bluetooth streamed calls and also adjust frequencies based on your unique hearing profile, which is great. So going back to that as well. So if you look at my device too, this is where you can look at how the device has functioned. You can go here as well and set up a hearing test. So hearing test can actually check your hearing, which we'll do again in a moment to show you guys. Now going through here as well, you've got the tinnitus function too. So this is what I spoke about with my dad, where he's had trouble hearing. So you can put this on and it basically plays the sounds there. So at the moment, I've got the thunderstorm playing in the background and it's stopping the background noise happening. It really is great. Now, if we go here as well, we've got environmental noise cancelling too, which is a key feature. So as you can see, current environmental noise is 50. That's basically me talking. I'll be quiet. And now if I go loud like this, you can see it goes up. So it shows you the environmental noise you're working in. Remote sound capture can so it can actually capture the sound around you. We won't use that for now. And we've also got the translation function here too. So I'm going to go test this later, but essentially it translates automatically as you're speaking. So now we also have the different functions that the ELEHEAR hearing aids have, which we spoke about in the previous video. So you've got general, restaurant, music. Now these are different modes depending on the situation you're in, because obviously using hearing aids, different modes impacts how you use them. So general, as you can see, general mode, restaurant if you're at a restaurant, music if you're listening to music, and TV if you're listening to TV there. So I'm just setting that to general to start with, and it works very, very well to adapt it. And you can also add your own mode there too if you wish to, which is really handy. Every time you wear them, the sound feels more natural, clearer, and tailored to your environment. Combine that with hybrid feedback cancellation and background noise suppression, and guys, what you get is incredibly immersive sound without the annoying whistling or feedback you often get from traditional hearing aids. Now, the tinnitus masking feature has also been upgraded. You now get 20 different masking sounds, from soft rain to ambient wind, and you can even create your own mix depending on what brings you the most relief. But the most powerful part of this story, guys, is what happened when I gave this to my dad, David. He's had hearing issues for years, especially tinnitus. That constant ringing in the ears that makes it hard to sleep, hard to focus, and honestly, guys, it's just exhausting. He spent over $2,500 on custom hearing aids. And when he tried these, no exaggeration, he was blown away. The tinnitus masking feature in the ELEHEAR app allows him to play calming sounds that help reduce the ringing. He can still talk to people, watch TV, even go for a walk outside and hear the world more clearly. And it's his words, guys, not mine. So seeing how much relief and clarity he got from these at just $399, guys, was genuinely moving. And for my heart, it was really good. It's a kind of difference that doesn't just change how you hear, it changes how you live. And as you saw, I was showing you a bit more about the app there, about how tinnitus works, but it really is lovely. Now, Bluetooth streaming works flawlessly as well. You can take calls, stream Spotify, watch YouTube, and even use voice assistants, all without switching devices. So I paired mine with my phone, and the audio quality when listening to music was surprisingly rich for something that's technically a medical device.
Okay, I just used the hearing aids just out on a call, and despite it being very noisy out here, they couldn't hear the traffic around me, and I could hear them fine on the call as well. So great active environmental noise cancellation on these, which means that I can do calls, speak to people, and have no issues when I'm about. So perfect for people who have challenges with hearing.
Battery life, guys, still holds strong. Up to 20 hours for use on a single charge, and the slim case gives you 4 full recharges. That's up to 100 hours of total listening time before you need to plug it in. And even better, the latest update, the hearing aids now support charging while the case is open, which wasn't possible before. So you could open it up and charge them. And as you can see, you've got the indicator there, the front, and you've got the USB-C charging there as well. Now, another cool feature is the real-time translation built into the app. So if you're traveling like I am at the moment, or speak with someone in another language, you can get live translations right through your hearing aids. Now, guys, that is absolutely incredible. So it's still in the early stages and currently supports Italian as the newest edition, but this is a glimpse of where AI-powered hearing is heading. From just amplifying sound to enhancing global communication. And we tried this out, and it was surprisingly very good, actually. It could translate language great. Okay, now we're going to use the language translation feature to actually have a conversation with Arbs now in Spanish. So I've got the app here. Arbs, are you ready for your Spanish?
Yeah, I'll try my best.
Okay, try his best.
Hola, me llamo Arby, tengo 31 años, vivo en la ciudad de Las Piñas, actualmente estudiando español.
So what's just happened now is, thank you for that, RB. He's just actually reading this to me at the moment. I'm 31 years old, I live in the city of Vineyards, and currently studying Spanish. So it actually did it as we're talking.
Yeah,
I press
right.
it again. So RB, that's great. You're studying Spanish. Really glad. Okay, now here we're going to have RB doing Japanese now.
Ohayo gozaimasu. Watashi wa Arby desu.
Hi, good morning.
Anamaiwanan desu ka?
So there you go. So it actually just did the translation straight away, but also then did a voice in my ears as well. So this is also good if you're actually watching television, for example, and you can't hear that well. You can actually have it talking to you. It works really well. Now, of course, ELEHEAR Beyond is still priced at just $399. That's not a typo. Compared to traditional hearing aids that cost between $3,000 and $6,000, this is seriously impressive value. You're getting AI clarity, Bluetooth streaming, tinnitus relief, custom app tuning, translation tools, and a sleek, comfortable design, all without breaking the bank. What's also impressive is the recognition ELEHEAR is getting. These hearing aids have been featured by top media outlets like CNET, USA Today, Wired, Hearing Tracker, and Retirement Living. And on Amazon, ELEHEAR Beyond is now ranked number 3 in the entire hearing aid category. And guys, I've actually sold a lot of these through Amazon, and the reports from people who bought them have been absolutely stunning. They've absolutely loved them. So it speaks worlds about how they're performing. So what's my verdict? If you like the original ELEHEAR Beyond, you're going to love this updated version. Everything from sound quality to connectivity has been refined, and the app updates bring a new level of control. If you're new to ELEHEAR, this is hands down one of the best all-round hearing aids you can get for under $1,000, maybe even $2,000. And remember, guys, this is only $399 at the moment, so it really is amazing. And I've loved using it. So whether a first-time user, upgrading from an older pair, or simply looking for a discreet and smart way to enhance your hearing, this deserves your attention. And talking about my dad as well, remember, He actually had a pair of hearing aids that cost him $2,500. He now uses these as his go-to. He listens to music on them, tinnitus masking, but what he found as well is it actually adapts to his listening, which is great. So I'll get my dad on a future video to talk about his experience. So if you want to grab a pair, I've dropped the link below in the description. Also giving away one of these worth $399. So please check link in the description below. The more times you enter, the more chances you have to win. And also remember, I've already given away a winner of these as we spoke about previously. So let me know what you think in the comments. Would you use a hearing aid that also streams music and offers AI features? And if you have questions about the updates, I'll do my best to answer them below. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.